Hello everybody, I want to show you how to record your voice in Premiere Pro. Okay, first here right click in voice over record setting. This is for pre-roll 3 seconds. This is 3 seconds countdown before you start your recording, and this countdown sound effect. And press this button. 1, 2, 3. Now start. Okay. If you want to start immediately without countdown, you can right click here, go to voice over record setting, and turn off this item. And it start without countdown. Okay, thank you for watching.